Hello everyone, my name is Ethan Tarr, and today I'll be showing you how to make your own Ghostbusters glue. So first, you'll need green, light green food coloring, a spoon, a glass. That's just a little bit of what I had last time. And then some white glue, white Elmer's glue. So first you're going to want to, what do you think it is? He needs some milk. No, it's not milk. So first you're going to want to take the light green food coloring, and then put it in your jar. Take some of your, get some of the clear Elmer's glue as well. Pour that in before you put in the glue. I'm sorry, before you put in the food coloring. A bad memory. And then what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to have another glass. This one's messy. You're gonna want to have another glass, plastic spoon, and you're gonna want to mix the clear Elmer's glue with the green food coloring. I'll be right back. So in this one, I just put water in it. That's why it's like liquidy, but not liquidy. You can see what's inside. So I just put water in. There's leftover green food coloring in it, and I just mix it around. And that's what it looks like. Put the cap on. Shake it up. Makes bubbles. When you shake it up, it looks like a real Ghostbusters. You can get that all green stuff. Just set that over to the side so it can like lay down there. And so you want to put your white Elmer's glue into this jar, and then your other Elmer's glue. Oh God, that's all gooey. Oh God, that's not good. Oh, ew. Just mix the green food coloring with the water. Oh, haven't put water in it. Don't put water in it. But mix the green food coloring and the white food coloring in. And you should get this weird green. So what you're going to do is going to go over. You're going to go over to your sink, put some water in this, and yeah, I'll be right back. Okay, so I am back. I put some water and some soap in, and this is what it turned out to be. Pretty liquidy thing. And what you're going to want to do is just stir it. Stir it up. And if you got like the white, Elmer's glue on the sides and stuff on the inside, just kind of like scrape it off. Okay, so what you're gonna want to do next is grab your soap bottle. This is just a weird soap bottle. Unscrew the cap. Make sure you have something to set it on. you're going to want to go to your sink for this. I'll be right back and I'll show you. So I'm in my bathroom. Got the soap bottle. Got this. And then you're going to want to get your little straw thing. You're going to want to get this. What you're going to do, take the spoon out, set it in your sink, grab your bottle, set it over to the side, put this in your cup, and just squirt it in the soap bottle. Squirt it in here. You're gonna be a while, so when I'm done, I will get back to you guys. And yeah, if this video shuts off, I am sorry. If it does shut off, leave a like and subscribe. I'm not turning off the video right now, just like I say in all my other videos. And yeah, I'm not done yet, but I'm almost done. But yeah, as you can see, I'm done. And if you just have a little bit left in your jar, you can grab the soap bottle. That's how I just filled up. And you can just pour it. See, it's very slowly coming. Just do that if you have a little bit left. Yeah. Oh. You grab this and you pull that up. Put your spoon back in your thing that you had it in. And put it on your sink. Our sink is all bubbly. And what you want to do is you want to put it in the water. You just squirt. Get all the green out. So you can have regular water. As you can see, mine's good. And then you just want to put it on and yeah, that is how to make Ghostbuster slime. My hands are all sticky. That is how to make Ghostbuster slime. And I will see you. Please leave a like and subscribe. And I will see all you dudes in the next video. What's up?